Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the first ship model that I'm going to start building on this channel. If you watched the JU-87 Stuka video, I said that I wanted to begin building a ship. And I have only 4 ship models. But I decided to start with the Atlantis USS Iowa. It's in 1/535th scale. That's an odd one. Usually they're like 700 scale or 200 scale. But this is from Atlantis, the company that brought us the 57 Cadillac Eldorado Brome that we're working on. So I haven't even opened this box yet. This video is going to be the unboxing, and we'll just kind of look at what's in the kit. And this will be the ship we'll start with. So without further ado, you get a little crunch there. That's a bummer. Hopefully everything's okay. Doesn't look like it really got bent bad. As with the Stuka, I haven't even taken the plastic wrap off. I paid $21.99 for this ship. That wasn't that long ago either. Not even a year ago, I don't think. But let's open it up and see what we got here. 20 inches long. Oh, it shows the decal sheet, it looks like. Huh. Now we'll put that off to the, let's put it off to the top here. Got enough room? You bet we do. And it looks like it's one of those, you don't have to join the two halves together. Oh boy, the main part of the ship's all done. There isn't really much to this. This was a good one to start with, I think. But here we have our hull. Wow. There is nothing to this, really. And then you got, what, 1 sprue? And a lot of there's the holder for the ship. But I kind of want to get into that epoxy resin. I watch people do dioramas with that epoxy resin, so we are going to have fun with that eventually. There's our little decal sheet. Put those off to there. This must be the flags. And from the look of it. Oh, that's weird. It's got German, British, American. I'll have to see what that's about. I figured it was the... Oh yeah, it is. They go on top of the mast. Never mind. That's our flags. And here's the sprue. Looks like the superstructure and a little bit of another floor here. Our cannons. Our main guns, I should say. This will be a nice simple build, it looks like. I was expecting a bunch of pieces, actually. There's... get rid of that. Let's get rid of the box, too. But there's our sprue. It's got some nice little legs for the to hold the boat up. The ship up. This must all be guns. Very simple kit, but unlike the 57 Cadillac, there's really not much for flash. A little bit of flash, but I remember the Brome, some of the spots like the steering wheel had bad flash. That's kind of a rough spot there. That can be sanded down though. Where is our rudder? Looks like the hole where the rudder would go. Oh, there's our plane. It looks like it's in 2 halves. Anyways, let's get that instruction book out so we can see what's going on here. Yeah, that's going to be simple. I think the hardest part of this kit's going to be painting it. I'll just set that up there for now. Get our instructions out so we can have a look-see about how this goes together. It has a nice little history of the USS Iowa. Just like the Stuka, it looks like it's got the parts list with all the names. It's got the paint index there. And this is 3D. How come I couldn't see that? Oh, there it is right there. Tell you what, if you want to hide something from me, put it right in front of my face. It never fails. But yeah, looks like mainly guns, the cranes, the launch pad for the plane, or the whatever holds the plane on it. What are them? They're like a catapult, aren't they? I think. Don't take my word for it, I'm not an expert on ships. Or anything for that matter. That is how that goes. Oh, instead of little, what do you call that? Collars or whatever for the bottom, they tell you to heat it up and melt where each point goes in, and that's what holds it on. That's interesting. Lots of little guns. That's the majority of the build, is putting the little guns on. Let's flip it to this page. Next page. Oh, they're not attached. Part of the main tower and everything. Oh, and it's got a wing too for the plane. Just kind of checking it out. First time I've seen it. Actually, it's two planes. Showing there. I only see one. Oh no, it is two fuselages. There's the two wings right there. Okay. Not a whole lot of detail, but I think painted up right, I think we can make this look nice. Nice simple kit. They don't all have to be complicated. And not a bunch of tiny parts for me to fling across the table onto the floor either. Let's go to the final page here. And that's the placement of the flags and all the rigging, which we will do. Nice simple little kit. That's the Atlantis USS Iowa. And next time you see this, we're gonna be starting to put it together. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.